Go. Hindi ko rin nakakuha ng buo. Ay, sige. Tapos dito eh. Dapat langsam. Wow. Ooh. I'm gonna picture. Wait. I will make a photo.
That's true. I think we make crunch. Ready?
Wait lang yan. Yan yung mga yan. Photo ka lang. Ikaw na dyan ganyan. Ayan. Para may photo din siya.
Ang ganda.
Ayan, very good. Wait. One more. Wala mo itong box. Ano pang tikitin mo ate? Maganda siya eh. Video mo, ay ano mo na, crack mo na siya. Wait lang.
1, 2, may crunch kaya? Ay, walang crunch.
Is it Ate Bea?
You try.
Ito pa. Isa ba?
Wow. Okay, try it.
This.
Langsam.
Try it, Ate Bea.
Langsam. Move ka dito.
How was it?
On.
Tagal. Mamalas lang.
Ano ba? Huy.
Taste it naman chocolate.
Ha?
I cannot taste the pistachio. I rate it like 7.
Huh?
What's this? Salad ha?
What's the
Rating?
rating?
7.
7 over 10.
Tapos sarap yung salad ko. I like it.
Okay.
But not worth the hype. Hindi worth yung hype, pero okay lang. Ito ba ko rating ko?
Tingnan ng box.
Ay, parang iba yung expectation ko.
Tapos first step. Dessert. Chocolate.
Medyo masarap.
Delicioso.
Rating.
Teka.
Rating 11.
11. Still 11. Very good.
Besa po sa Milka.